So this problem says to write the expression natural log of 2x minus 5 over x plus 7 as a sum, difference, or product of logarithms and simplify if possible. So when you're doing these types of problems, rewriting as a sum, difference, or product of logarithms, the primary formulas you're going to be using are log base b of x to the power of r is equal to r log base b of x, so you're basically just kicking that exponent down to the front, or log base b of x times y is equal to log base b of x plus log base b of y. So when you have a product inside the log, inside one log, you can split it up into two logs and it being the sum of those two logs. The last primary formula is if you have log base b of x divided by y, you can simplify this into separate logs, log base b of x, and then minus the one on the bottom, minus log base b of y. So, also, one thing to note is that natural log of x is equal to log base e of x. So sometimes people don't realize that natural log, or ln, is a type of a log, and so it follows the same formulas as the rest of the logs. So for this problem, since we have natural log of 2x minus 5 over x plus 7, we have this formula. We have log base b of something divided by something else. So we can use this formula, separating it into two logs using subtraction. So we'll make that natural log of the top thing is 2x minus 5. And I'll put parentheses around that just to show that all of that is in the natural log, minus natural log of the bottom thing, which is x plus 7. And that's all there is to it. We could check and see if there's any exponents, but on this problem there aren't any exponents, and we don't have any rules of if you have addition or subtraction within a log, you can't really separate that out. You can only separate it if it's multiplication or division. So we've simplified as much as we can for this one. I'm going to include in the description down and below all the formulas that I used here on a formula sheet. It also has a lot of other formulas that might be helpful for you as you do these types of log problems. And if you're also interested in a digital pen the way that I draw on the screen, I have a link down below with a digital pen for how I draw on the screen. One more thing is that if you need any tutoring, I'm available for tutoring, and I have different contact information, my Facebook page, as well as my email address if you'd like to contact me for tutoring, or if you would like to have a similar problem done with a video like this, then you can leave that type of problem in the comments, or you can email it to me if it's easier for you to email a question. Thanks for watching.